Hi, welcome back to Feralart. How you doing? This is my mojo went on vacation, so I asked Mina for an assignment edition, and she gave me one. Mina said, do a sunset cloud pour on a small canvas using your spinner. And I said, okay, so I should use pink, red, orange, yellow, white. She said, yes, and put a purple in there. And I said, which purple? And she said, golden permanent violet dark. And I said, okay. So tonight we have golden permanent violet dark. We have Arteza Bordeaux red. We have Amsterdam Azo orange. Azo, whatever. We have Amsterdam Azo yellow deep. We have Lucas Krill rose. And for my cloud white, I have chroma krill white with just a little bit of white satin enamel in. And for our puddle of white, we have your basic everyday Amsterdam titanium white. Okay. So let's get down on this table. Our 10-inch round taped and on the spinner. And in our cup, what are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna put some of this purple. And we're gonna put just a smattering of white. I know usually people don't put their cloud pour in that close to the bottom, but you know, this is my deal, not their deal. We're gonna put our red. And our orange. And our yellow. And our pink. And our white. Then we're going to start over. White cloud. Is this my cloud? This is my cloud. Crud. Or is this my cloud? Crap, I don't know. I really don't know. Crap. Well, I don't know. I don't know. We gonna find out. Because of the week I've had, I suppose I've probably got them backwards. Okay, let's get this thing sort of centered as best I can. That looks pretty centered. We're gonna put some white in the middle and hope for the best. So here we go. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope we've got my right cloud and my right white. plenty of paint on here. I still don't know which white is which. My sunset has run away. We've got a lot of purple and red. I don't know. This is our plain old Amsterdam white, titanium white. Mixed down a little bit with some ladder right in the middle. Use up some of this paint to do our flow extender with. Since I didn't plan on doing one this big, I didn't have that much paint ready, and that's okay. I've got all these little dribs and drabs left, and we sure will use them. First time. That's okay. That's okay. I'm just playing. Press and seal is pressing, not sealed anymore. It's like a skirt. not much left there. That's good. There, one final spinaroo. Get some cups ready. We'll clean them off and we'll take you in for a little close-up. Okay, here are the wet results of painting number 1. I think it is fairly safe to say that I did indeed mix up my whites. It's not ugly. I mean, it's it's kind of cute. It might be a nice background for something. Or, you know, somebody might just go, oh, it's my favorite thing I've ever seen. Good for you, dude. Buy it. But yeah, I mean, it's different. It is different. Not what I had in mind. Now, for wet results of painting number 2, this is more what I was thinking of. I really like this one. I love the fact that the yellow is there, the pink is there, the white's there, the purple's there, the red's there, and the orange is there. It's all there. You can see all of them in the clouds and around the clouds. I think this one's pretty cool. Pretty interesting. I like it. I think maybe I need to thin down my paints just a little bit, but I like the fact that the lines held and that you can see all the colors. I think that's pretty neat. And the two of them together, you know, they're like very fraternal twins. This one just, you know, just lost a little bit in the translation. It lost all of the yellow, you know, most of the orange. There's a little yellow up there, but it just lost a lot. And I don't think it's hideous or anything, but this is much more what I was going for. So anyway, there's our wet results. I'll be back when they're dry. Here are the dried results of my spinning cloud pours. This one, the first one, was the one that I got my whites mixed up. And it's interesting, certainly not what I had planned on. And I think it's cool, it's nice, it's okay, whatever. But wrong white. And I think something took a dive in it right there. My second one had the right white cloud mixture. And it turned out pretty nice. And something took a dive in it. 'Tis the season, you guys. So there they are. My 2 little attempts. Thanks, Mina, for the assignment. I think I understood it. Y'all have a good one.